Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Yes, you guys, we have switched it up. We are finally calling myself Jay because I feel like everybody should know my name by now. But anyways, yes, it's your girl Jay, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, today's video is going to be a little different. We will not be doing no makeup tutorial, sorry, but I feel like this is really important, and I'm pretty sure half of you will be really interested in what I am going to be talking about today. So anyways, if you want to know what today's video is gonna be about, continue on watching. All right, you guys, so like I told you, I already did my makeup and all of that good stuff, whatever. So today is going to be a little different video because today I will be reviewing the influencer box I just received a couple of days ago. It's actually an app where you like review you know, some makeup, perfume, or whatever. Like there's a lot of stuff that you could, you know, review on it, and you can combine your Instagram, Facebook, or I don't know what else it is. You can combine, I think Twitter, you can combine it, and you have like a bunch of, like, I think a group. Let me see. So let me go. So sorry, I think I should have like. Alright, so you have so like I said, your Facebook, your Twitter, and your Instagram combined together of an impact, and you know, whatever, and you start reviewing. Like there's some couple of things that you could look up or whatever, you could start reviewing them, and the more reviews you do, you get a package to review, and they give you a couple of items in here for free. And tell me, who doesn't like anything for free? So anyways, that's what we're gonna do today, because I'm really excited. I've actually already opened it and used it, so, well, some of the stuff, but I feel like I wanted to review it with you guys. And then I feel like if you like love free stuff, like I figure like this would be so interesting. Like it really is, and I'm kind of happy. Well, I didn't discover this, my boyfriend had actually told me about it, and I did a review on some couple of things, and voila, this came to my door. So anyways, we're going to open it up, and we got a couple of things in here. Practically, I'm just using this stuff, and if I like it, give a review on it. And the more reviews I do on so many things, I can receive them for, well, receive other stuff for free. So the first item I got in my box is the hair and nail gummies. This is Nature's Bounty. I actually use these. These are actually pretty damn amazing. It helps so much with my skin, my nails, especially my hair. My hair has been growing, and that's what I've been wanting, because like I remember I actually bleached my hair and it was like fried. Like it was so bad. I went back to my natural color or whatever, and I started using these. So yes, these are just extremely good to use, especially if you want your hair to grow, nails, and your skin to look a little better. All right, so next product we have, I actually have not used this yet, but this is a charcoal clay facial mask. I actually will be using this soon, so on my next video I'll actually give y'all a review on this baby right here. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to use this. And next too, we got some temporary color spray. We got purple and blue. I actually if you didn't see, or you see, oh, I don't know if you can see it, but I've actually already used it. You can see a little bit of the purple, but yeah, I'm really liking it. As soon as I opened, I was like, I'm just gonna start spraying it or whatever. And yeah, I actually really like this. I didn't even know they had these, but I'm loving this, you know. Because I know lately when you dye your hair a certain color, it is really expensive. I wanted to dye actually my hair like gray, It's like with this gray and purple, and it was gonna be like around $200 to $300, and I was like, no thank you. So yeah, so if you're like that type of person that, you know, just wants to have it like, and this is washable. This is really washable. You could just spray it on your hair, and then you know, it stays on there the night or whatever. It's up to you, but I feel like I will be buying and using these more often because I feel like this stuff is great. They're like, I think originally $10. Yeah, and that those gummies were $9.20. And that mask is usually $10. So I'm really excited to try the blue. I actually want to try the blue on my boyfriend. Hopefully he lets me. But yeah, these are something I will be using for sure and buying for sure. Let's see what next we have. We have a Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, all skin types. Have not tried this actually before, but I promise you guys I will try it, and I will give y'all a review on this. But that's pretty much it. We got a couple of good things in this box. I'm actually really excited. But yes, overall I do like these gummies for sure, and I just tried the spray and it's a yes. It's a yes, so I'll be using those for sure. But I'm really excited to use these two. I have not used them yet, but I will be using them, like I said, and I will be giving you guys a review. So yes, it comes with like 5 little items in there, and all you have to do is that when you receive it, start sharing it on the app. Of course, if you don't know what app I'm talking about, I will leave that app below the description box, and y'all could just start from there, reading what you exactly have to do. But I am actually happy I really just started doing this. And there's a lot of other stuff they send you also. That's all depending on what type of stuff you pick. When you take a quiz or whatever, yeah, you have to take a quiz or whatever. But anyways, yes, this stuff it's amazing. You know, I'm really happy I did started doing this, and I really want to thank my boyfriend for telling me about this. And speaking about boyfriend, today is his birthday, so I would love you guys to be so nice and please comment below and wishing him a happy birthday or whatever, because I got a lot of thanks to give him, because if it wasn't for him I wouldn't be doing this, like I said on my last video. So yeah, so actually he's the reason of all of this. So yeah, so I really do want to thank you, and happy birthday, babe, and I love you so much, and I hope you have a good one. So yeah, you guys, I know this video was extremely short, but anyways, it would be, you know, it's a good video, you know, and it's something to really look into if you like free stuff, honestly. I'm actually going to start right now, start reviewing some of this stuff on that app, so I can go ahead and continue, get another box, and you know, just keep doing that to get free boxes. You know, like I said, who doesn't like free stuff? And yes, you guys, I will leave all of this information down on the description box, because it's something I know y'all would be interested. Instead of going buying it, you can honestly have to do is just keep doing reviews on some items that some stuff that you use. So yeah, you guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys you know, get into this. I feel like it's amazing, and I'm happy, you know, just like that. Like, I just got this app like a month ago, and I already got my box, like, okay, just for reviewing a couple of items. So yeah, you guys, I feel like it's really worth it. So you guys think about it, really think about it. If you want free stuff, go for it. So anyways, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so sorry that I couldn't do nothing more, but I feel like I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys the box I received. And yes, I did not pay anything. But yeah, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and if you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.